Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, northwestern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania until 5 p.m. At 4:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Maplewood Park, or near Youngstown, moving east at 75 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Half-inch diameter hail has been reported with this storm in Youngstown, Ohio at 4:30 p.m. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include New Castle, Grove City, Slippery Rock, New Wilmington, Oakwood, New Castle Northwest, Pulaski, New Bedford, Harrisville, West Middlesex, Plain Grove Township, and West Liberty. This includes the following highways: Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 101 and 115. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 2 and 13. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.